Look at all this room for activities. You want a lot of room if you're gonna use an action camera because you're gonna do lots of activities wearing it. Hey guys, welcome to Short Circuit. I'm Riley Murdoch, and today we're looking at the Insta360 Go2, my go-to camera for doing basically anything. Just kidding, I've never encountered it before. It's an unboxing. That's kind of the whole concept of this whole channel. Why did you make me say that, Jono? So as you can see, one of them has already been unboxed. It's on my chest, like Tony Stark. I'm gonna be recording the whole thing with this camera on my chest in case you were wondering. How is it levitating there? I don't know. I haven't unboxed it yet. Okay, Insta360. These guys have been making action cameras for a long time. They were primarily known for making 360-degree action cameras, thus the name Insta360. However, this one, you know, it's more focused on one point of view, one direction, you might say, instead of two. So it's still got that wide angle that you want on an action camera, as far as I know, but it's super light. It's like a size of your thumb if you've got a big old thumb. Mine's not so big. So you can take it anywhere. Apparently you can mount it places, you can stick it on, under, upside down, inside out, all the way through and under. Okay, so yeah, it is super tiny. I mean, like, I don't remember encountering other action cameras that are this small of a form factor. I mean, like, most of the time when companies are making action cameras, it's kind of like that GoPro, like, square style form factor, but this is like, it's really tiny. And the big feature, as you can see, is this magnet, and that allows you to attach it to the necklace that I'm wearing right now. Ugh. I have one of these under my clothes. Docking complete. So we got up to 1440p and 50 FPS. Interesting. Is this like a UK standard, I guess? That's not bad for an action camera. It's not 4K, but like 1440p is plenty sharp, as PC gamers will know. Mount anywhere, as I talked about, the magnetic mount. Hands-free. Flow state stabilization. So I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming that it's some sort of footage stabilization, which is always welcome. Waterproof, nice, that's good to see. Auto editing, now I did see something about this. Apparently there's like AI in the phone app, is that right? That will like edit footage for you and kind of like make it into like a slideshow with music and stuff. Not slideshow, but like we'll edit clips to music and whatnot. Hyperlapse, which I love. That's that whole thing where it's like a time lapse, but you're moving. I have to test that, Jono. Slow motion, gonna have to do that. Remote control, you know I love remotes. And Wi-Fi preview, so I guess you can see the preview of what's going on the phone. Speaking of which, we have an iPhone here that we're gonna use for the app because the app currently is only available on iOS, but the same day this thing releases apparently is the same day that the Android version is gonna come out as well. So iOS and Android, whatever floats your boat. So we got the instructions here, the button instructions, single press, double press, press for 1 second. There's all sorts of instructions that I will pay attention to when I need them. We got some paperwork. What is this? Whoa. Is this a big AirPods case? They give you an extra case just to hold your AirPods? Whoa, what is this? Look at this. It looks like that robot from WALL-E, his friend. I'm guessing this is the mount. Tripod, and then you take the camera and you stick it in, boom. How easy was that? Click to start. Oh, interesting. So it's not just a stand, it's also got an integrated controls. USB-C for charging. What is that thing? Oh, it's a screw mount. So you can mount that to things. I don't know what that is, but I like the sound it makes. Oh, is it charging? Is this a battery too? Yo, that's cool. Case firmware updating, uh-oh. This thing's like a less high-tech clip mount, I guess. So like if there was some sort of, if there was like a flat edge, you could slide that on. I don't have something to, so then boom, and now you're vlogging, dude. Okay, last things in the box, we have a USB-A to USB-C cord, and okay, one more mount. Man, they give you so many options here. Pivot stand. there's instructions. There's a secret code, I found a clue. Clean the pivot stand with water and dry before reusing. We have to go to Washington, DC. Okay, so this is a sticky thing. Say, what? It's connected. So I just like stopped recording and this says saving now. You can still control it even when it's not connected. It's got a wireless connection. That's cool. So it's a remote. It's a stand and a remote and an AirPods case. You could probably fit your AirPods in there. Do you have your AirPods here? Once again, you got 3 different options for mounting your camera. Like this could be on the side of a helmet or a car or a hidden camera if you want to pull a funny prank, YouTube. Okay, one thing I noticed while I was dinking around here was that there are multiple different modes available. Because if you press this button here, it cycles through. You're on video, there's photo mode, and then pro video. If you want to have more control of your edit, shoot in pro video mode. Pro video mode allows you to adjust your field of view and aspect ratio in post. It also unlocks horizon lock stabilization. So we got video, pro video mode. Oh, we already talked about that. Time shift, which is like hyperlapse. I think that's the one I'm gonna use. And then we also have time lapse, which is like a regular time lapse. HDR video, I guess. I didn't know that was here also. And slow-mo and settings. All right, that's enough. I wanna try this thing out. I wanna go running around and see, you know, it's an action camera. We gotta do some action. We gotta be active. So I'm gonna do a hyperlapse because I'm a hyper kind of guy, all right? Hyperlapse, oh goodness. Ooh, yeah, hyperlapse. Oh my goodness, oh! It's a hyperlapse! Oh! It's a hyperlapse! Oh! I'm out of shape. Okay, I wanna see that clip I just recorded. It better be good. Whoa, that's so much. I didn't know it was gonna be that fast. Make some fun videos and show them to your family at Christmas. Nice! Last one I'm gonna try is the 1080p 120 slow motion. Oh, no one likes to see it. Oh no. Oh, I'm scaring myself. If you scare yourself, that's always a good recommendation for something, right? If you see yourself from a different angle. If a product makes you think about what it means to be human, that's something special. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. I mean, I like how tiny it is. I like how versatile it is and like the ability to kind of magnetically just swap between different mounts that you might be using for different situations. Insta360 says that this, you know, as opposed to more kind of sports-oriented, like intense, hardcore action cameras, this one's more for kind of the lifestyle people. It's a less crazy, in-your-face option for someone who's like, I wanna record some stuff about my regular life. I wanna go on a little trip with my family and I'm just gonna stick it on my chest and I don't have to worry about like having a helmet with the actual mount like sticking out there, you know? And I kinda like that. As far as action cams go, it's pretty nice. Also, case looks like an AirPods case. We never tested whether your AirPods fit in it. Give me your AirPods, Andy. Oh! Doubles as an AirPods case! Yes! It's not gonna charge them, but you'll have some place to put them. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Short Circuit for more videos of presumably similar to this one, right? Yeah. You guys unbox stuff here? Maybe. Oh, and if you're interested in the footage that was being recorded into my chest cavity that whole time, there's gonna be a link in the description below with like a BTS video of footage of that. Check it out if you want to see the same thing happening from that viewpoint.
You're a short one.
Love ya.